Buongiorno! And with the chestnut pasta we have shown you in a previous video, we have decided to prepare some chestnut ravioli. This time we have decided, because it's end of autumn, to use the seasonal ingredients, so pumpkin filling and porcini, fresh porcini sauce. So we slice a piece of dough, we flatten, we run the dough through the pasta roller 3 times on level 1 and then slowly level 2, level 3 until we come to the thinness and desired dough. So we fill with the filling. Here we use the pumpkin filling. It's just pumpkin and onion cooked until they are soft and reduced to make a thickened filling to have the right consistency to use for our pasta. So then we slice. So we put the filling on the pasta at a 3 centimeter of distance to each other, overlap the side of the pasta with the other corner, press to allow the air to blow out, cut in square or in the form of your preference. As you form the ravioli, place them on a flour cloth without letting them touch each other. So then you repeat again the operation with the remaining dough, and finally you will have to cook them. Now, few interesting facts of chestnut. To the early Christian, chestnut symbolized chastity. In Turkey and part of Europe and Asia, chestnut replaced cereals as a source of carbohydrate. Chestnuts are the only nuts that contain vitamin C. Roasting chestnut for eating is popular in northern China, Korea, South Asia, Turkey, as well as part of Europe. One thing that they didn't say, that we prepared this fantastic ravioli with the presence of 2 of our fantastic, nice friends that are studying here in the Netherlands, Eleonora and Dario. And Dario actually helped us to prepare the ravioli, and here we see him cutting the ravioli. So if you, in case you don't have got a pasta machine, and this is not the end of the world. All the grandma in Italy, they didn't have the roller machine, so they were using the rolling pin. This is definitely a more complicated way to prepare the pasta, but it's not the end of the world. Remember, you can do it. Few more things about chestnut before we cook the ravioli. Extract of chestnut is used for starching of textile. China produces more than twice as many chestnut as its closest competitor, Turkey. So we have seen here that we cook few minutes our chestnut ravioli. Actually, better if the water don't boil, and we mix it with the fresh porcini sauce to finish the end of autumn, to have the final autumn entering in our winter season. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel so you will have the opportunity to follow the future recipes. Enjoy, have a lot of fun, and see you next time. Ciao ciao.